we have partnered with Brandon Leake. He's going to provide inspirational and motivational assemblies for all of our students from grades 4 and up. And then in February, he's going to be providing poetry workshops to much smaller groups of students, culminating with an open mic event at the end of February.
I just want to utilize the gift that God has given me to help inspire others, in particular these youth, to be able to be all that they can be. And knowing just how much of a similarity in terms of Stockton and Madera have in terms of being these quote-unquote drive-by cities, I just want for people to be able to see value in where they're from and what they can bring to it.
I think that a lot of the students and a lot of the youth here don't see the power in their words, and they don't see the power in presenting that. And I think that it's just an excellent opportunity that our community gets to get, not only me, but just other people that don't see that importance of it, and they're able to have that outlet and have that guidance to aspire to be someone like him, or even more, or even less, whatever they want to be.
I think it would be great for our community at Madera South and culture. It really will diversify, the kids, and actually see that, poetry can get you to be successful, and, it will really start, to turn some wheels in Madera South. And I'm excited to have his club and virtual assemblies as well.
Come ready to invest into yourselves, not invest into me. Like, after I'm done, that's secondary. But invest into you, because the time that we will spend is for you.